In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your LinkedIn profile. This quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what you'll see once you're there, so you can confidently check how your information appears. Start by going to your LinkedIn account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon. This is your photo or a circle with your initials, and it may be labeled Me. On desktop, you'll find it in the upper right corner. In the mobile app, it's typically at the bottom or top corner of the screen. Select that profile icon and LinkedIn will automatically take you straight to your profile page, no extra clicks needed. On your profile, you'll see the information you've added over time organized into clear sections. At the top, there's your headline and summary, which introduce who you are. You'll also find your education entries, where your schools and degrees appear. The activity section shows your recent posts, comments, and shares, giving a snapshot of how you participate on the platform. Your work experience outlines your roles and responsibilities, usually in reverse chronological order. If you've added certifications, you'll see them listed with their issuing organizations. Your portfolio or featured section showcases links, media, or projects you want people to notice first. Skills appear with endorsements, highlighting what you're strongest in. Courses you've completed can be displayed to reinforce your expertise. Honors and awards help you highlight recognitions, and the organization section shows professional groups or associations you're part of. Everything visible here comes from details you entered, which is why it's called your profile. Take a moment to scroll through and make sure things look the way you intended. Check that job titles, dates, and descriptions are accurate, your education entries are correct, and your skills reflect what you want to be known for. If you've added media in your portfolio or featured section, confirm that links and files work properly. For certifications and courses, make sure names and providers are correct. In honors, awards, and organizations, verify that each entry is clear and relevant. That's all there is to it. The easiest way to view your LinkedIn profile is to go to your account, select your profile icon, and let LinkedIn take you right there. Reviewing what you see helps your profile tell the professional story you want. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.